Good morning, boys.
What?
So do you want to go for a little run?
What?
You go for a little run?
In the fucking dime rig?
In the Taco. In the presidential Cadillac.
Are you driving?
Not today. I just want to go on a rip right now.
Oh.
Just a little putt around.
I'll go, let's go.
Yeah.
I'll go.
Anyways, good morning, boys. Last night was windy as hell. 40-mile-per-hour gusts. That has nothing to do with what I'm talking about right now, though. Nothing to do with what I'm talking about right now, though. Anyways, I thought it was kind of criminal to come all the way out to the desert and not rip the Tacoma. So we're gonna go on a little morning rip while everybody sort of gets ready, sorts themselves out. I have a leaking diff, which is fun. I think my rear passenger shock, the seal's blown. I think it's leaking. So this is, and I'm not aired down. I'm gonna see how high the pressure is. Maybe drop a little out.
No, it's fine.
It'll be fun though. Honestly, I don't know what these knobs are turned to. I might have made them really soft for the drive back home after the last trip. So these might be really soft for the first few minutes, and I gotta come back and stiffen them up. I had my GoPro back there, it was just laying flat on the leaves.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Loud and clear. Lead sprung. Gang, triple OG. Absolutely smoking. Broken windows. Let's go!
This is Desert Donald saying I'm ready to rip and hit the whoops.
Donald is just ear raping everybody.
Dude, imagine having to ride with this motherfucker.
Where are you going?
I'm just ripping the fucking road, dude. I'm ready to drive. Oh, we would have been fine. That'd actually be pretty fucking sick if you know your truck can handle it. Yeah. So you get a fucking video of that. Yeah, I tried to like almost get that. That is so fucking annoying. I'm gonna pull over up here and pull up a map, see which direction I need to go now.
Copy.
We're going closer to the 15.
Because if you go to Two Dune and then you go straight through like Soggy Lake Bed, and then it'll take us to Best Minor Road.
Yeah. Yeah, Two Dunes right there.
Yeah, so if we keep going that direction, we'll land into Soggy Dune or Soggy fucking Lake. And then, yeah,
we have all the pre-runners out here. They're handling great. They're doing the best, and it's because there's no side-by-sides in our way today. All of these are great pre-runners. We have American Ford. We're gonna act like that was made in America, and we have a Chevy.
What's up, brother? How's it going?
We're gonna act like you were built in America. You're an imposter amongst the American trucks.
Assembled in America. Has American spirit.
It's American now.
American flag to let them know I do not play around, brother. What is the vibe, Dimitri?
The vibe is we're gonna make the deserts pre-runner again.
Oh, the fucking shameless plug.
Can we make it wet again?
We need to make the desert wet again.
Yes. Somebody
It's
lick their
bone
fingers.
dry because Sleepy Joe was in here, couldn't get it wet. Donnie knows how to get it wet.
But not a too big.
My party will keep the deserts absolutely moist. No dust.
Oh, I didn't know we were talking about deserts.
Oh, well,
we're talking about
We'll make that wet too.
We gotta work more right. That way? Yeah, you're parallel with it, but just shift over. This trail right here. Take this trail that we're crossing. Well, if it is a trail, I don't know. I think it's a trail up there. We are straight bushwhacking. This is a sick trail, Jason. Yeah, you think dime for that one. Fuck you, I said go right. That's the military right there, the fucking red sign. Well, then we gotta go up and around. I believe that's all military to our right with that red sign right there. Let's keep following this up to the baseline and then try to cut out. Fuck going to the mines, dude. Let's just do our own thing. I think I'm gonna call it fuck the mines. There's too much fucking military base to try to get around going this way. So whatever you guys want to do, just let me know.
I don't know, I'm kind of having a good time going for a little trail ride.
Yeah, we are definitely riding the border right there. Oh god, oh my god.
Yeah, you guys turning around or what?
Hey, on the left of you could be a pretty sick fucking ripper corner.
Yeah, we should get some clips right there.
I'm gonna move over to the other side so I'm not on the outside. I'm gonna make you look so fucking good in this corner, dude, that you're gonna sell that thing for $69,000 after they see how it handles.
So people that were camping at our camp told us when we were eating breakfast, like, we're leaving now, like, we gotta go, let's go. So we like hurried up, ate, left camp, and then at some point they just dipped on us, so we lost them and we're like, okay, we don't know where to go now. So we kind of just guessed at what mine site they were at, mapped it out, and as we were trying to get there, we ran into there's a big chunk of military land out here, like a huge chunk of military land that you cannot go into. We were riding the line of that, trying to find a way around it, and there was just so much we couldn't find a way around it, so we said, screw it, we're just gonna find our own fun and have fun today. And that's how we ended up doing this. So we're sort of doing our own thing right now, just having fun exploring Johnson Valley and seeing the little hidden gems in the back pockets of it. Dude, homeboy was bouncing through there. He wasn't even riding the berm, he was just airing out through it, touching the ground for fun. That's definitely going in the top 10 closest calls for Desert Diamond filming off-road vehicles, because that was... now, bro. She's hungry. Yeah, fuck that bush. Yeah! Damn, B-Wing, I didn't know you could do that.
That was in second too. I should have put it in third, but with the
No, you would lag.
yeah, it would just bog. You wouldn't get the same roost.
You can go that fast in second gear?
Huh?
Holy shit.
Was it going that fast?
I'm capped at like 3,500.
Are you serious? That was at like 55 in second gear. 5,500, but 55.
Should we film some
Hey, do you have toilet
content?
paper?
Oh, now we want to film
No, but you
content.
gotta
Okay,
suck.
cool.
This guy's a lazy content creator. I'm over here filming the whole time. I've been filming for days.
You could cut it up.
I'm just saying, should we start?
Chicken strips. Chicken strip. Butt strips.
Did you get any of before my truck broke?
Cut it up though. So
There you go. There you go. Alright. Get it.
What are we even doing here, dude?
I have no idea.
We're just trying to
out
get
of my
we're
video.
trying to get some pictures.
I drove all the way out
something.
here. I'm paying these guys $100,000 a minute to be on the set, okay?
Time is money, ladies and gentlemen. Time
the
is money.
military base is charging me $2 billion a month.
My time is money. POV, you're talking to Jason.
Is that VR porn? Damn, that was fucking hard.
This is the second trip I've done. What do you want?
The side-by-sides over here keep doing runs through the transition, through the bowl, and riding on the face of the jump. Caden almost hit one of them because he jumped over the hill and they were just sitting there. They're sitting on the backside, they're sitting on the front side. This is the guy that almost got creamed. And this is why we need to make the deserts pre-runner again. Shameless plug. This is why you need to buy the shirts on Inauguration Day when they come out to support the cause of making the deserts pre-runner again and getting these dirty little side-by-sides out of our ways when we're trying to hit some sweet jumps.
Get the fucking golf carts out of the desert, dude.
Make the desert better.
Make the desert pre-runner again.
Dude, did you see Kane almost fucking cream that dude?
Popping taillights out. No.
Dude, he almost
He did?
smoked that dude. I feel like I need to chill out on the jokes with the side-by-side hate, because it is just that. It is all just
Fuck
jokes.
the fucking side-by-sides.
They do make some very questionable decisions for sure.
Bunch of fucking idiots.
Let me rephrase all of this. Side-by-sides themselves, pretty cool. The people, some of the people that drive them, that's where the problem lies.
Build a truck.
Anyways.
Hey, if you drive a side-by-side, you're a
I think you're just mad because you almost creamed one.
Yeah, because they're fucking retarded.
You're a dingleberry.
They have no fucking clue what the fuck they're doing.
That looks like fun. You see that? Little chinganogris right there. Drop down in there, smack the lip.
Smack the lip.
Where's your truck, Dime? My truck 16.
Stop.
I bet you if you had a side-by-side, you'd be out here. My truck.
Yeah! Hold it! Hold it! There it is! Go! 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 Yeah! Jay, buddy! Fuck yeah! Love in my ear! Faster, dude! Baby, that was fucking sick! Come on! Faster! It's got so much more pedal! Let's go!
That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, dude! It's the sex music, pink headphones. And I said just, fucking pushing instead of pulling out.
Center, dude. That was fucking sick.
Those were
First
some
time
good jumps,
this truck
dude.
actually
Holy
flying in the
shit.
air was phenomenal.
I said it's smoother the faster you go and the farther you go.
Well, it was pretty easy until Dime moved, and I was like, I have no idea where to go at this point.
Yeah.
That's why I started waving with the radio. It's like left,
Yeah.
left.
That was
It's
sick.
really hard to see anything when you're fucking, oh my god, oh my god.
Or
That's just
focus,
you, dude.
dude. Imagine focusing on that shit.
Oh!
Coming up
really
to your
fucking
Isn't it-
well
doesn't
with the
it
fucking
feel like
as
it
I'm like
takes
power
like-
to weight is fucking
It takes like
crazy.
this much effort for that truck to even
Yeah,
move.
I'm like,
It's bullshit.
damn, my shit's like fucking
Yeah,
wow.
my truck's foot to the floor.
Because of the distance of the camera, it looks so far.
I wish my
No, it was far. You actually fucking sent
It wasn't
my
like,
wheel
it wasn't
didn't fall
high, it
off
was
and I
just
could
distance.
Oh, look at this dude fucking
Oh,
getting
Didn't
it.
go the
Look at him
we know where
getting
you're
it.
going.
Thanksgiving, it was almost. Yeah. Last night it was that way.
That thing's gnarly.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Damn, dude.
Had a great little rip back from Two Dune. We were taking some weird back pathway that was just S-curving with whoops, and they were like racing each other through there. Like it was just like hard turns with fucking big whoops. We were just rah, 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 rah. And now we have an amazing sunset. This trip has just been filled with great sunsets. We are so blessed, so blessed. But now, hopefully, we're going back to camp because I am so thirsty. My mouth is so dry and I'm hungry and my head hurts, and I just need to get by the fire with the boys.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going on.